Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a public car wash. First, pull your vehicle into an open bay, ensuring you have enough space to move around. Next, insert your payment, which could be coins, a card, or a token, and select your preferred wash package. Before you begin, take out your floor mats and any other loose items. Then, grab the high-pressure rinse wand and thoroughly spray down your entire car, starting from the top and working your way down to remove all surface dirt. Now it's time for the soap. Switch to the soap or foam brush setting on the wand. Apply a generous, even layer of soap over your entire car, ensuring full coverage. For tougher dirt and grime, use the provided foam brush to gently scrub your vehicle's surface. Remember to clean your wheels, tires, and the lower parts of your car where dirt often accumulates. Work quickly to prevent the soap from drying on your paint, which can leave spots. After scrubbing, it's crucial to rinse all the soap off your car. Switch back to the high-pressure rinse setting. Start from the roof and work your way down, making sure to thoroughly rinse every inch of your vehicle. Pay special attention to door jambs, wheel wells, and around mirrors, as soap can hide in these areas. Once rinsed, consider applying a wax or sealant. This step adds a protective layer, enhancing your car's shine and helping to repel dirt and water. Finally, it's time for drying and those finishing touches. Carefully drive your freshly washed car out of the bay to a designated drying area. Using a clean, soft microfiber towel, hand dry your vehicle to prevent water spots and achieve a spotless finish. Don't forget to clean your windows and mirrors with a glass cleaner for crystal clear visibility. Reinstall your floor mats, and your car will look fantastic, ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.